Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into OkCupid. If you have got app, and just open it, and if you have got website, just go and visit their website, and then you have to tap on join OkCupid button, and you have to enter your email address. After that, tap on next button, and you have to enter your first name, and then you have to enable your location service. Choose your country over here and tap on done button, and then tap on next button, and you need to tell them what you are, man, woman, or any other, and you not tell them what you wanna date, and tap on next button. You have to enter your date of birth, and after that tap on next button, and you have to create a strong password, and after that tap on next button. And after you tap on next button, your account will be created on your OkCupid. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.